Hey friends, and welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out these Let's Glow tablecloths. So this is a 2-pack and it features 85 by 51 inches. Make sure I get this right real quick. Yes, 85 by 51 length. And it has a bunch of like bright colors. And it's got a Let's Glow theme there. So it's kind of like a party tablecloth here. This is plastic, and if you have like a wooden table that you don't want to get wet, this seems rather durable. It's not super thick plastic, but obviously if you just threw it over your table, it's going to protect it from spills and things like that, and you could just wipe it down and reuse it. So that's kind of nice. You also use it as like a banner on a wall or something like that. You could put it up on the background, and it's pretty lightweight, so some Scotch tape or whatever would hold it up. So I have it set out on a table real quick, and we can go see how that looks. These do not glow in the dark, but they do have kind of like when light is shining on it, just kind of looks, kind of gives that, not really that effect, but it's just kind of like the colors look like they glow, I guess, just the way the colors are. It doesn't technically glow like luminescence or whatever if you're shining a light on it, and then it's not going to, if you turn off the lights, it's not going to shine like that. So we can check it out here, and yeah. All right, friends, so here is the tablecloth, and it looks pretty nice on there, actually. A lot of vibrant colors. And like I said, this Let's Glow theme can go with anything. It doesn't have to be a birthday party or any event. So it's just kind of a funky, cool looking tablecloth. And just to demonstrate that, like, oh, okay, because I have a wood table here, and if you spill water or something on there, as pretty much always happens if you do have like a party or something going on. But you can see that it just puddles up right here, and then we can clean it up real easy. And your wooden table or whatever is protected underneath. So you can see this is super easy to clean off, and you can reuse these. So pretty cool little tablecloth. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.